Good morning, brothers and sisters. We are starting off today at spaceweatherpredictioncenter.noaa.gov on at 10:17 a.m. on January 16th, 2022. I hope everyone is doing well. As we can tell, last night the KP index did go up, but it did stop at 5 and then came right back down. So that's always good to see. Thank goodness for that, right? I definitely would rather be in the 2 and the 3 area myself. And as for our flares, we're looking right here. We don't have anything major to report. Just we had one little sharp tick right here, and for a C, but it wasn't a big C, so there's really not a whole lot to worry about. Looks like for our KP index, we're currently in the 2-3 area, and looks like overnight we're going to get to tomorrow morning. We'll be up at 4 first thing in the morning, and then again at 4 o'clock around 1800 UTC time. So actually, yeah, we're actually getting a little bit of bombardment, you know, like from the plasma that I was telling you guys about, right? So let's go ahead and check on down here and check the event mode that we had. Ooh, look at those sunspots. How you doing? Oh, okay, and here's our Ace Mag and Sweepam. So we can see that we were in event mode, and it all of a sudden went nothing here. So they must have been off the charts. So we were definitely in the event mode, which is why our KP index showed so high earlier. And as you can see, our north and south pole pretty much kind of recovered our magnetic field, so we are doing okay in that department. Alright, and here we are over to LASCO C2 and LASCO C3. We are going to kind of crack through this one. There's not really a whole lot here. Looks like we've got a little formation, a battle formation. There's 3 of them here. Looks like maybe he's kind of zooming up to go join them, maybe? I'm not sure. But we'll just kind of carry on. That was the pop that came out of the north when northern side of the sun. I showed you guys a little bit something last night, my little follow-up. Looks like we got something going on right here. Another little battle formation, maybe? I'm not sure. But there's really not a whole lot on LASCO C2. I don't see any plasma coming our direction. Do see quite a bit, quite a few friends, and looks like we got a little Borg cube light bending going on right here. We can clearly see it there. How much time did we lose? Lose any? No, it didn't lose any. It had another one right here. Look, there's another one right here. God, these guys are killing me. Boy, they're really trying to hide it. That's why they're going to lose. Oh, there's definitely one right here. With our little trail behind them is a little fla-la-la-la-la. Yep, been showing y'all quite a bit of that, huh? Remember the Star Trek video? Yeah, that was something, wasn't it? They're showing us, they're giving us the signs, they're giving us all the little clues to pick up on. The trail of fla-la-la-la is what gets me the most. I've been saying that, and then I was like, man, I really gotta show for comparisons, and they did it on Star Trek, and when I watched it, and I was like, yes, can't believe it, finally. Oh, look at that. From 8 a.m. to 13:48. That is 5 hours and 48 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Ouch. Boy, they're hiding a lot of it from us. Now let's check out LASCO C3, and there are definitely some friends here. Oh, we got one right over here. Yep, ooh, that guy's taking off. Oh, Borg cube. Bending the light. Oh, turd bucket. Oh, look, here's one. More of a disc shape going this way, and as you can see his little trail of his la-la-la-la behind him. Got a little friend there. This is definitely one. Warp speed, or whatever. He may not have been going warp, but he was definitely doing something. Mach 9000, I don't know what you'd call that. Yeah, it looks like we got another one here. We definitely got a pretty good one. Oh, here we go. There's a couple good ones. There's definitely one there. That's a bird. And it looks like he's going down. His wingtip is out here, and it kind of points back this way. Looks like we got a decent one right here, too. Doo-doo-doo. Come on. There we go. Oh. Uh-oh. Borg cube. See him? Distorting it. Turds. Hey, there's a good one. Hey, little buddy, how you doing? There's the bird. Look at this. This actually looks like it has a split tail, doesn't it? Just like a bird. That's pretty cool. Could have just been the angle that he was at when the camera took the photo. Yep, we got signatures all over. Oh, there's another signature trail right there. This one is one of ours. This is the TR3B signature trail with the nuclear pulse engine. You can see the little boom, 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 boom. That's what that is. That's what these little brighter sections are. It's the acceleration. They go in bursts. So it goes boom, 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 boom. That's actually how it accelerates. That's one of ours. United States. Yeah. They've been hiding stuff, folks. Bet a lot of people didn't know that. But that's all right. You know now. We're all here to learn. I learn something new every day. I actually just watched a movie last night, just for fun. Oh, there's definitely one there. And because I did that Star Trek breakdown, and I did a quick space weather update, and then it just kind of popped up in my ads, and it was Spaceballs. Who doesn't remember the movie Spaceballs, right? So in Spaceballs, it actually I'm gonna have to do a breakdown of the movie Spaceballs too. It's everywhere. It's insane. So right here we are for our plasma uptake currently at 1400 UTC time. Actually, I think we might actually be 16. Let's try here. Let's tap that. Yeah, this is where we're at. So we're in quite the low spot for plasma, so we can actually take a little breather. Didn't see anything else going. We got a little bump here, and then it slowly starts coming back up. But we'll kind of keep an eye on that and see what else happens, because I'm sure this will change in the next day or two. Out of comparison, we're over here now at spaceweatherlive.com instead of Euphoria, which was the European Space Agency's just before this. And we can clearly see that it's given a nice clear shot going off this direction, right? Just like a CME should. It shows a nice clear direction. However, now this is Enlil, okay? Anunnaki, Sumerian god, really, the Anunnaki, Enlil. How you doing there, bud? You're going to lose. Ooh, I might get a strike for that one. Haha. But I come up here just a little bit to this other one and look at it does the same thing. It does a little wow. It's doing a curveball again. I love it when they do this. It's like, you guys, you're dumb. It doesn't do that. They put it in our face, folks. This is going to be interesting. If you're one of my followers and you've been following for a little while, you're going to know that you've seen this before. But guess what we found? I found something flying into the sun right here on the ink filter. Watch this. Oop, I was going to hit the next button, sorry. Now as we're going, it's going to come in on this side, and it goes whoosh, and it actually goes in the sun. Keep watching. Look at that. See that? Right here. It's going in the sun. What in the heck could be flying into the sun? Let's see that again. What is that? That looks like it's about the size of our planet. And it's going into the sun. Not coming out. This is reverse. This is forward. You can see the plasma coming out. That's going in the sun. Is our sun an actual Stargate itself? Like literal Stargate? There's nothing that should be flying into the sun. Unless it's a Stargate. And it's some kind of a big old mothership of some sort. Ooh, stay safe out there, folks. Wait till you guys see what I'm going to show you next. Ooh, in fact, I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek. Oh, yeah. That's the next one. Here's Rio de Janeiro. You'll never guess what's here. Stay safe out there, folks. And remember, love is the only way forward.